As always, Volvo puts on a spectacular event, just like their trucks.
Tonight is about the emotion, it's about us, it's about the people, it's about beautiful products. Are you ready for a great evening?
What a rollout of the new truck, the new VNL is just amazing. The Volvo staff does an amazing job just putting this whole thing together for us.
Honestly, lots of cool features. This is really completely new model. I think our drivers will be happy with these trucks. I think this is going to be the majority of our fleet in the future. I think drivers will like it.
What I like the most is driver friendly.
The image is getting a little tougher. I like that. Drivers are wanting something a little more edgy.
I'm blown out of proportion at how beautiful the trucks are.
It's very smooth, easy to drive. The truck can actually drive by itself.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your business. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for your friendship.